Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out the IRS Schedule 8812, which is used to claim credits for qualifying children and other dependents. So this form is really helpful because it calculates how much child tax credit you can get and can even increase your refund. So start at the top by entering your name and social security number exactly as shown on your form 1040. Now go back to part 1. So this is where you figure out your child tax credit. Enter your income from form 1040, then add any required income if applicable. After that, enter the number of qualifying children under age 17 and multiply by 2,000. Then enter your other dependents and multiply by 500. So add everything together to get your total credit. Next, follow the steps that compare your income to the limits. If your income is too high, your credit may be reduced. So just carefully follow the subtraction and percentage steps. So once that's done, move to part 2 for additional child tax credit. Enter your earned income and go through the simple checks and calculations to see if you qualify for a refundable amount. And finally, take the results and then enter it on your form 1040. So this is your final credit. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.